Most crypto investors know they need a wallet, but very few truly understand the critical difference between hot and cold wallets. Choosing the wrong one can literally cost you your entire portfolio. Today, we're doing a full deep dive with real examples, so you know exactly which wallet fits your strategy. Before we compare anything, let's make one thing clear. A crypto wallet doesn't actually store your crypto. Your digital assets, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or NFTs, live securely on the blockchain itself. The wallet's true function is to store your private keys, which are unique cryptographic codes essential to prove your ownership and access your funds. These keys are the gateway to your digital wealth. So, the fundamental question becomes, do you want your private keys stored online, connected to the internet, or completely offline, isolated from potential threats? A hot wallet is any cryptocurrency wallet that is connected to the internet, prioritizing convenience for frequent transactions. Examples include mobile wallets like Trust Wallet, browser extensions such as MetaMask, and exchange wallets from platforms like Binance or OKX. Hot wallets offer very easy and fast access, making them perfect for active trading, DeFi, NFTs, and daily transactions. They are also typically free to set up, which is a significant advantage for new users. However, because they are online, hot wallets are more exposed to hacks, phishing attacks, and malware. If your device is compromised, your wallet is compromised, as your private keys are stored online. For example, if you're swapping tokens on Uniswap or sending USDT daily, a hot wallet is the most convenient option. A cold wallet, in contrast, is a storage solution that is completely offline, offering maximum security. Examples include hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, which are physical devices designed to keep your keys offline. Paper wallets also exist, though they are less common today, where keys are simply printed out. The primary advantage of cold wallets is maximum security. Your private keys never touch the internet. This makes them ideal for long-term storage of significant crypto holdings. However, cold wallets typically cost money, ranging from $50 to over $300, and can be slower to access. They are not ideal for daily transactions due to the extra steps required to sign transactions offline. For instance, if you're holding Bitcoin or Ethereum for years, a cold wallet is undoubtedly the safest place to store it. Now, let's look at a side-by-side comparison of hot versus cold wallets.
Hot wallets are online, while cold wallets are completely offline.
Security levels differ significantly, medium for hot wallets and very high for cold wallets. Ease of use is very easy for hot wallets, but moderate for cold wallets due to their offline nature. Hot wallets are free, while cold wallets require an initial purchase. Finally, hot wallets are best for trading and DeFi, whereas cold wallets are ideal for long-term storage. So, which one should you use? Here's the simple rule. Use a hot wallet for small amounts you need to access quickly, and use a cold wallet for long-term savings and large amounts. Most experienced investors actually use both, a hot wallet for daily activity and a cold wallet for long-term holdings. This smart investor strategy gives you the perfect balance between convenience and security. Let's consider some real-world scenarios. For an active trader, you'd use a hot wallet and an exchange wallet for daily transactions. If you're a long-term holder, hodling Bitcoin or Ethereum for years, a cold wallet is your best choice. For DeFi users who stake, farm, or swap, a hot wallet is required for seamless interaction with decentralized applications. And if you have a mixed strategy, doing both active trading and long-term holding, split your funds between hot and cold wallets. Finally, here are some must-know security tips. Never share your 12 or 24-word seed phrase with anyone. Always double-check websites and addresses to avoid phishing scams. Use hardware wallets for large amounts, typically over $1,000, for enhanced protection. Enable two-factor authentication on all your exchange accounts. And always keep backups of your recovery phrase offline in a secure location. Choosing the right wallet isn't just a technical decision. It's a crucial security decision for your digital assets. Now that you understand the difference between hot and cold wallets, you can protect your crypto the right way. If you want a full tutorial on setting up a wallet step by step, tell me and I'll make it next.